Hey techies! Welcome back to another session of Algomiz. Algomiz is a channel for complete web development. We have started with Python programming language. Today's session, we will see changing, adding, and removing dictionary items. So without further ado, let us jump into that. We can change the value of a specific item by referring to its key name and assigning new value. Here let us create a dictionary called vehicle and add a few items in this. We have brand, model, and year in this dictionary. Now let us change any of these items. Let me change year to 2020. For which write down vehicle dictionary and give square brackets, and in order to access your key mention year inside that. Now assign value 2020 to this and print out current vehicle dictionary and see the change. Here the value of year key has changed to 2020. This is how we can change values of a dictionary item. Moving on, let us try update dictionary. Here we have same vehicle dictionary with 3 items: brand, model, and year. The update method will update the dictionary with the items from the given argument. The argument must be a dictionary, or an iterable object with key value pairs. You 1964 date the year of the vehicle by using the update method. For which write vehicle dictionary and mention update method. Now inside the parentheses mention the key and value as a dictionary. Here key is year and value is 1964. Now print out the vehicle dictionary and see the output. Here we are getting an updated vehicle dictionary with value of year updated to 1964. Now let us see adding new item to an existing dictionary. Let us consider the same vehicle dictionary. Here we are having 3 items such as brand, model, and year. Now let us try adding new item to vehicle. Adding an item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. Write down vehicle dictionary and give square brackets and inside that mention new item key. Here let us take a color key and assign value to this. Here I am mentioning red. Now printing out current vehicle dictionary. So the current dictionary added a new item color and its value red. This is how we add new item to an existing dictionary. Moving on, let us update dictionary. Let us use the same vehicle dictionary, and now in order to update the vehicle dictionary, write down vehicle dictionary and mention update method and inside parentheses mention key value pair as dictionary. Here we can use color key and value just like before. Now printing out vehicle dictionary will give us an updated vehicle dictionary. Here, new item color has been updated to old vehicle dictionary. This is how update method work with dictionary. And now let us see removing items from a dictionary. Here we are using same vehicle dictionary, which has 3 items. Now think of removing items from a dictionary. There are several methods to remove items from a dictionary. Let us first use pop method. Write down vehicle dictionary and followed by that mention pop method. Inside parentheses, let us mention the key we needed to remove. Here it's model. Now print out current vehicle dictionary. Here item with model key has been removed. This is how we use pop method to remove specific item. Now let us see removing item using pop item method. Let us take the same vehicle dictionary and write down vehicle and mention pop item and followed by that provide parentheses. Print out current vehicle dictionary and see the result. Here we are getting dictionary with last inserted item removed. So the pop item method removes the last inserted item. Note that in versions before 3.7, a random item is removed instead. Now let us see del keyword and its use in removing items. In order to work with, let us use the same vehicle dictionary. The del keyword removes the item with the specified key name. To illustrate, we write del keyword and mention vehicle dictionary and provide square brackets. Inside square bracket mention brand. The item need to delete. Now print out the current vehicle dictionary and see the result. We can see the brand item has been removed from the resultant dictionary. The del keyword can also delete the dictionary completely. In order to do that, mention del keyword and followed by that write down the dictionary need to be deleted. Now printing out current vehicle dictionary will give us an error message. And it says name error, name vehicle is not defined. Which means our dictionary has been deleted. Next, let us see clear method. Now think of a situation we need our dictionary vehicle and all the item need to be cleared, which means need to empty vehicle dictionary. In order to do that, we have clear method. For which write down vehicle dictionary and followed by that mention clear method. Now try printing out current vehicle dictionary and see output. Here we are getting an empty dictionary. This is how we can empty a dictionary using clear method. I believe I have made it clear. So we have covered changing, adding, and removing dictionary items. Also learn to delete and empty a dictionary. If you enjoyed the session, please do like, share, and subscribe Algomiz. We train people to become a better programmer. If you are focusing on complete web development that is too completely online and for free, this will be a great opportunity. Thank you for watching. Happy programming.